Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. In this video, we are going to see exercise 1.1 relations and functions. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First problem, given set is A equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. till 14 and given relation is x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. First we need to substitute the number from here in the set which satisfies 3x minus y equal to 0. When you substitute x equal to 1, 3 ones are 3, so we need 3. So 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So the ordered pairs are 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. When you substitute x equal to 5, 15 minus 15 only will be equal to 0, but 15 here not there in the given set. So we cannot take 5, 15. Now we will check whether it is symmetric, reflexive and transitive. What is the condition for reflexive? X comma x belongs to R. But here we couldn't find any number, that is 1, 1, 2, 2 etc. doesn't belongs to R. So it is not reflexive. Symmetric, A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A belongs to R. Check it here. 1, 3 is here in the set, but 3, 1 is not there in the set. So it is not symmetric. If it is false, we can give one example, that is enough. Now transitive, if A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R. Check it here. My set is 1, 3 belongs to R and 3, 9 B comma C. 3, 9 belongs to R, but 1, 9 is not there in the relation. So 1, 9 doesn't belongs to R. So not transitive. So this relation is not reflexive, neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Now second subdivision, given set is natural number, given relation is x comma y such that y is equal to x plus y and x less than 4. The given set is infinite and here condition is given that x less than 4. So x equal to 1, 2, 3, only 3 elements. Substitute 3 elements here, then you will get the respective y value. The relation is equal to 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Now check whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. It is not reflexive as we discussed earlier. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is not there in the relation. So it is not reflexive. So relation ordered pair is 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Already we have checked whether it is reflexive, not reflexive. Now take this one, 1, 6 belongs to R, but 6, 1 doesn't belongs to R. So it is not symmetric. 2, 7, take this element, 2, 7 belongs to R, but there is no pair such that 7, y. Actually we need to check A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, then only we need to check whether A comma C belongs to R or not. But here second ordered pair is not there in the set. So directly it is transitive. So now subdivision 3, given set is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and relation is x comma y such that y is divisible by x. Now write the respective elements in the relation. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Now R is reflexive because totally 6 elements are there. All 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. All elements are here. So x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to A. So it is reflexive. 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 doesn't belongs to R. Because 2 is divisible by 1, but 1 does not divisible by 2. So it doesn't belongs to R. So it is not symmetric. Now come to third one, that is transitive. X comma y belongs to R, which means y is divisible by x equal to m, where m is some constant. Then y comma z belongs to R. So z by y is equal to n, where n some constant. Now we need to find out whether x comma z belongs to R or not. That is z is divisible by x or not. Z by x equal to, we can write this as product of these two. Z by y into y by x. So answer for this is m into n. M into n is also some constant. Hence z is divisible by x. X comma z belongs to R. Hence it is transitive. So x comma y belongs to R. Y comma z belongs to R. It implies that x comma z belongs to R. Hence it is transitive. So this relation is reflexive, not symmetric but transitive. So now we will see fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision, given set is Z of integers, given relation is x comma y such that x minus y is an integer. We cannot write elements of R because it is infinite. Now we are going to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. R is reflexive if you take any number, that is x comma x belongs to R, because x minus x equal to 0 is an integer. So for all x belongs to Z, if you take any number, difference of the same number will be 0. Hence it is reflexive. Now symmetric, if x comma y belongs to R, so x minus y is equal to m, where m is an integer. Take minus common, you will be getting y minus x equal to m. Apply minus on both sides, then you will be getting y minus x equal to minus m, where this is also an integer. So x minus y is also an integer, y minus x is also an integer. So y comma x belongs to R, hence it is symmetric. Transitive, x comma y belongs to R, it implies x minus y is equal to m. Y comma z belongs to R, y minus z is equal to n. Now we are going to check whether x minus z is also an integer or not. X minus z will be written as x minus y plus y minus z. The answer for this is m. When you cancel y plus y and minus y, you will get x minus z. So substitute the value of x minus y and y minus z, m plus n. The sum of two integer is also an integer. So x minus z is also an integer. It implies x comma z belongs to R. Hence it is transitive. So this relation is reflexive, not symmetric and transitive. Now fifth subdivision, given set is A of human being. A is a set of human beings in a town at a particular time. Relation is x comma y. X is exactly 7 cm taller than y. Here x and y is human beings. Now R is not reflexive because same person cannot be taller than himself. So x comma x doesn't belongs to R, hence it is not reflexive. X comma y belongs to R, which means x is equal to y plus 7. X is 7 cm taller than y. But y comma x doesn't belongs to R. It is not symmetric. X comma y belongs to R, which means x is equal to y plus 7, and y comma z belongs to R, y is equal to z plus 7. Now x equal to z plus 14. Now we need to check whether x comma z belongs to R or not. We need to check whether x is 7 cm taller than z or not. When you simplify this, you will be getting x equal to z plus 14, which shows that x is 14 cm taller than z. So x comma z doesn't belongs to R. Hence it is not transitive. Now we will discuss question number 2. A given set is R, set of real numbers, and given relation is a comma b such that a less than or equal to b square. So first we will check reflexive. It is a set of all real numbers, so we will take a fraction 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, same number. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. It is not less than or equal to 1 by 4, so it is not reflexive. Symmetric, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, implies 1 less than 4, but 2 comma 1 doesn't belongs to R because 2 is greater than 1, so it is not symmetric. Now transitive, 2 comma minus 2 belongs to R, which implies 2 less than minus 2 the whole square is 4, true, and minus 2 comma minus 1 belongs to R, minus 2 is less than 1. Okay, now we are going to check 2 comma minus 1 is belongs to R or not. 2 comma minus 1 doesn't belongs to R because 2 is greater than 1, so it is not transitive. Now question number 3, given set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and relation is a comma b such that b is equal to a plus 1. Now we are going to find out the elements in the relation. When you substitute a is equal to 1, you will be getting b is equal to 2. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6. We cannot substitute 6 because 7 is not there in the set. Now it is not reflexive, as we discussed earlier many times. X comma x doesn't belongs to R, hence it is not reflexive. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 doesn't belongs to R. As I told you before, Only one example is enough to show that it is not satisfy the condition. So it is not symmetric. 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 3 belongs to R, but 1, 3 doesn't belongs to R. Hence it is not transitive. This is the procedure to write the proof. Now we'll discuss question number 4. Given set is set of all real numbers and given relation is a comma b such that a less than b. It is a real number. We are going to take same number, that is a comma a belongs to R because same number equal, that is a equal to a, hence it is reflexive. 2, 5 belongs to R, which implies 2 is less than 5. But 5, 2 doesn't belongs to R because 5 is greater than 2, so it is not symmetric. Now third one, a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R. It implies that a less than or equal to b, b is less than or equal to c. Automatically a is less than or equal to c. A comma c belongs to R, hence it is transitive. Now we will discuss question number 5. Given set is R, set of all real numbers, and given relation is a comma b such that a less than or equal to b cube. Now first one, reflexive. Take 1 by 2, 1 by 2 same number. 1 by 2 a is less than b cube, but 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8, so it is not reflexive. Now 1, 2 belongs to R, 1 is less than 8, but 2, 1 doesn't belongs to R because 2 is greater than 1. It is not symmetric. Now take a number 5, 2 and 1.5. 5, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1.5 belongs to R. So it implies 5 is less than b cube, that is 2 cube is 8, and 2 is less than 1.5 cube, that is 3.375. But 5 is not less than 3.375. So 5, 1.5 doesn't belongs to R. So it is not transitive. So now we have finished till 5th problem. We will discuss the remaining in the next video. Thank you.